Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that describes the behavior of matter and energy at a very small scale, such as atoms, molecules, and subatomic particles like electrons, protons, and photons. It provides a mathematical framework for understanding the behavior of these particles and the interactions between them. The principles of quantum mechanics are fundamentally different from classical mechanics, which describes the behavior of macroscopic objects. In quantum mechanics, particles are described not as definite, localized objects, but rather as wave-like entities that can be in multiple states or locations simultaneously. This property is known as superposition. Another key principle of quantum mechanics is the idea of uncertainty or indeterminacy. It is impossible to simultaneously measure certain pairs of properties of a particle, such as its position and momentum, with arbitrary precision. This is known as the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Quantum mechanics has led to many important technological advancements, including the development of the transistor, lasers, and the Internet. It also has implications for our understanding of the nature of reality and the limits of human knowledge.